Hey everybody, how's it going? So I got a quick unboxing to do slash unbagging to do from an item I picked up from eBay. It's for the 2000 4Runner Limited. Please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. Hey everybody, how's it going? So before we get started, please like, comment, subscribe, smoosh the bell notification icon for future updates. I'm sorry about the intro. At the very end of the intro, I coughed. My apologies, I'm sick. But let's get this package opened. Whatever's in it is not really very big. And doesn't even need a knife, to be honest. Okay, so this is the Toyota harness. So this is a Metra 1761 harness. It's for 1987 and up Toyotas. This will plug into the two plugs on the SR5 2000, the Limited 2000, and this is for the stereo. So this plugs into the factory harness in the Toyota, and then this harness has to be wired to the plug that plugs in here, which is another harness. And I have one of these harnesses coming, brand new as well, because I did win that bid for this identical, exact same stereo. This is a Pioneer Mavic 8200 NEX navigation unit. I did win that other one, so I'm going to be putting this one back in the SR5. So I didn't take any of the wiring out, other than, this bundle of wire that, was just running from the back all the way to the side of the panel. So all of this was actually accessible at all times. This ran past the center panel on the floorboard, and it ran to underneath the seat, right next to the seat. Other than this Sirius XM box, which I did pick another one of these up, and you guys will have already seen those things. So now I have 3 of these Pioneer Mavic 8200 NEX head navigation units. One's in the Ford Excursion. One is in the SR5, which is not in the SR5 right now because I'm showing it to you while I'm in the house. And then the one that's coming in that I just got used, that I'm going to be putting in the Limited. So this is the harness, because I didn't really want to unplug these harnesses and then have to cut wires, because I also had to splice in the backup camera into this harness as well as into the brake, the emergency brake. I had to splice in the DVD system into the emergency brake system as well, so that way you pull the emergency brake and it allows it to play DVDs, which I also did a bypass on that with a relay, so that way my wife and kids could be watching movies on that stereo while I'm driving, and all I can do is listen to it. But, and that would be my recommendation. Don't ever watch on a front display. Don't ever watch movies or anything while you're driving. So if you're going to do any kind of bypass so you can utilize the DVD functions at any time, make sure you are driving responsibly. But this is just the Toyota harness. It also says on the back, Metra, color code, 12-volt ignition, red. Yellow is battery memory. Black is ground. Power antenna is blue. Amp turn on, blue, white. Amp ground, black, white. Illumination is orange. Dimmer is orange, white. Phone mute is brown. Right front plus gray. Right front minus gray, black. Left front plus white. Left front minus white, black. Right rear plus violet. Right rear negative violet, black. Left rear plus green, left rear minus green, black. So it gives you what the pinouts are. There's 2 plugs here. 1 and 2. And I'm going to be using the ones in the SR5 as a reference just to wire everything up to this harness quickly, and then just move it over to the limited and do the last 4 or 5 wires that are for like the backup camera and the relay and a few other things. And then all I got to do is when the stereo shows up, take the dash panel off, slide the stereo in, mount it up, plug it in, and I'm good. But that's all I got for you guys today. I do appreciate you guys stopping by and checking out the video. This is just the receipt. It was, well, it's actually an invoice. It's not really a receipt. This harness cost me like nine something. It wasn't really that much. I do appreciate you guys stopping by. Please like, comment, subscribe, smush the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, my DJI Electronics affiliate links, as well as my Ohio Power Tools affiliate links. Do appreciate you guys stopping by. Excuse me, guys. I'm sorry about that. Like I said, I appreciate you guys stopping by. Go check out the affiliate links. If any of you guys want to help restore the SR5, you know, you guys know where I can get bumpers, quarter panels for the 2000 4Runner. Let me know. I know a lot of people on the channel like the truck and always ask about it. So you guys will be seeing a complete walkthrough of how bad the damage is. Other than I didn't go under the vehicle and show that I remember, I might have gone under the vehicle. The frame and the engine, the transmission, and the drive system are fine. It's just body, mostly body and a control arm. Brake caliper is fine. The rotor is still attached to the rim. It just needs another steering knuckle and a couple other small parts. An ABS sensor. I do appreciate you guys stopping by though. As always, like, comment, and subscribe and all that goodness. And I hope to see you guys on the next video. You guys have an awesome rest of your day. Peace! And I'll put this in the description below if I remember. And if I don't, just let me know and I will put it down below. It is 70-1769. You can also look up the part that way if it helps, guys. You guys go ahead and just pause it if you want. From 1987 and up. All the way, I think, 2004, I believe this harness works for. You guys have an awesome day. Peace!